Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. Recently, the price of Litecoin broke out this channel, and I was telling you that target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $145. And you can see that the price has so far rallied up to $141, very close to hit that target, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $135. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $135 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, and therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And despite these long spikes, the price could not break it out so far. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is happening on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that is a very big harmonic bullish reverse cigar pattern that Litecoin formed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for NEIRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live. First of all, let me to show you the long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I will take you to the live chart as well. And this is the long-term trade setup that I shared with my members almost 2 years ago on 29th of May 2022. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Litecoin formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this is a quite long-term trade signal and still in play. If I play this chart, then you can see that the pricing is geared up from this buying zone. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley start from $224 and goes to $348. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, and first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. Then here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel since after 2nd of December 2024. You can see that we had a touch point here at the support. Then we had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And after a few more rejections, finally the price and broke out the channel. And the target that we were expecting was here at the top of the channel at $145. But here we have a long-term resistance of $135. It has been previously working as a very strong resistance here back in the month of March 2022. And here, by the way, it was also breaking as a support as well. Therefore, again, after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejected here, and now again, the price. And despite these long spikes, could not break out this resistance so far. Now here, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then we can see that we have already broken out this very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.